Hi, this video explains what you receive when you subscribe to the email list on 513G request webinars. And it also includes templates. So when you type in your email and your name into the form, you'll get an automated email asking you if you do in fact want to subscribe to this email subscription list. You can unsubscribe at any time. You'll get an email here and you just click unsubscribe. But in order to receive the content, you have to accept it the first time, and then it will send you a second automated email, and this is an image of what that email will look like. There are 3 links in it. The first one is going to take you to our Dropbox folder where the native slide deck and the recording are located. The second link is where all our templates are located for a 513G request. So I'll actually show you that. These are the files that are located in there. There's a FDA cover sheet, a cover letter, a device description template that's been modified specifically for a 513G request, the device uses template for a 513G, draft label template, draft IFU template that are also helpful for other types of submissions, and then the FDA guidance document, which you can also download from the FDA website for free. And down below here, we provide a link for you to schedule a meeting with me. Anytime you want, you can go into that link and it'll share with my calendar and tell you what my availability is for scheduling a meeting to ask questions about your own device submission. And if you want to send an NDA in advance, then we can have even confidential discussions about your device. For this particular webinar that we're recording, I'll be recording in a few seconds here. That recording actually includes a couple other things as well. So I'll briefly show you a couple of those things. Number one, we talk about when you should be conducting a 513G. That's in this diagram. Number two, we talk about small business discounts and how to receive those, and when you should be applying for the small business discount or small business qualification, I mean. We talk about the contents of the 513G request. We talk about the user fee payment cover sheet that you need to create. We talk about what do you have to fill in Form 3514, because not all the sections need to be filled in for a 513G. We talk about the cover letter, and I show you page 1 and 2. We also have the device description, so I'm going to take you to the links for each of these. So I'll actually drop out of the PowerPoint presentation and go open up those templates and show you each of them for the device description, the device uses, the label, and the IFU template. And then we're going to talk a little bit about shipping, whether you're shipping to CDRH or CBER. And let's see, we also have, we're going to talk a little bit about e-copy and e-copy holds and how to avoid them. And last but not least, contact information. So that's the overview of what's going to be included in that webinar. It's going to be a fairly short one, not the hour-long plus that I do for some of the webinars, because the content's much shorter. And if you have any questions, the contact information is in the PowerPoint presentation, or you'll also have it in this email. It has my phone number there, it has the company contact information, and it comes from my email as well, the rob@1345cert.com. So if you have any questions, please let me know, either by email or Skype, or by giving me a call on the phone, or scheduling one of the meetings through the Calendly app. Thank you very much, and hope this brief video was helpful in deciding whether this is what you're looking for in terms of how to do a 513G. Talk to you later.